Hi, it's Riz here from DS All-in-One Solution. So I just want to show you how to install the electric fencing and how to start from the scratch. So this is the site we are busy with the electric fencing. So we do the all round. This is a big warehouse. It's about 700 meters this fencing. You see, the first thing you have to put the poles, right? So where you are putting the poles, we have to put the poles all round, then you know exactly how many poles we need it, right? So when you come to mount it, then pole is already here, so just take the pole like this and mount it, right? So you just put the take screw, self tapping. If it's a steel, because it's a steel, this is a clear view fencing, so we just mount the pole here, right? So one by one. If you are putting the 100 poles, so means you need the 200 take screws, the self tapping. Right, so first we have to put the pole, mounted pole all round. Then we have to start pulling the wires. Pulling the wires, you have to do the tensioning every 30 meters, right? Then we need to put the earth spikes every 30 meters or 50 meters maximum. And the pole distance, this is, I'm telling you, for the fence compliance. You know, if you do the proper way and the professional way for the fencing, electric fence, this is the law of the fence. You do according to that. So the fence distance, the pole distance each other, minimum 3 meter, maximum 3.8 or 4 meter, maximum. You can't put the more than 4 meter distance of the fence pole. And at the spike distance you can put about 30 meters, 30 or 50 if you're doing the long run, big area. You see, this is like how we mount the pole on the palisade. So now we have to run the wire. So first we have to finish mounting the poles all round, then you have to run the wires, then you do the tensioning, then you have to do the looping, then you need to go to the mount the energizer. See, then you need to put the fence on the gate, then you need to put the gate contacts. See, there we are busy mounting the poles.